Hello everyone, welcome again to this Python alarm clock with GUI presentation. This is the second project in the sequence of code class project. The first one was Python URL shortener project. Here you can see, and the second one is alarm clock with GUI. So today I am going to present the alarm clock with GUI project presentation. So for this, I am going to just open the command prompt. So I will just Windows plus R and I will open the command prompt. I will just type here Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Notebook, and it will redirect to the Mozilla Firefox browser. Here I have made a file of alarm clock. Here you can see. So I will just click it here. So now I will click here and it will redirect to the my code. So here you can see this is the entire code of Python alarm clock with GUI. So first we will know that I have imported some libraries here. So we will know what is the work of a particular library here. So first I have imported date time library. So this library for handling date and time values. So, date and time is a robot framework standard library that supports creating and converting date and time values. Like it will get current date, current time, and it will convert time. So all the calculations related to date and time will do this library. Second one, you can see that TK enter. So as everyone know, that Tkinter is the standard graphical user interface library for Python. Okay, so when combined with Tkinter, provide a fast and easy way to create graphical user interface applications. It provides a powerful object-oriented interface to the TK GUI toolkit. Okay, so third one is message box. So it is also included, message box is also included in Tkinter. So I am just importing message box to get input, also info about alarm. And the fourth one is like play sound, as the name suggests that it will use to play audio, like when the alarm will on, the sound will play. Okay, so now here you can see I have made a function in which I am getting input for hour, and second one is minute, and it will take input as minute. Okay, so this will current time will fetch the current time to from the system, like it will fetch the current time. Okay, so now you can see uh, here, if alarm time is earlier than the current time, then add 1 day to the alarm time. Like if, like you can see here, the time is now 1:43. Okay, so if I will enter there 1:40, then it will add one more day. It means the alarm will start playing tomorrow, not today. Okay, so this is the work. Here you can see if alarm time is less than uh, date time and date time now, yani ki it means like uh, the alarm time, if the alarm time is lesser than the current time, then it will play tomorrow. Okay, so now here you can see like I have made another function alarm pop up. So it will just when the alarm starts, it will just pop up, like it will started playing sound. So I have just given the path of my music here, and when I will show you the demo at the last of the video. Okay, so and when the sound will stops playing, so it will give some message to the user, whoever are using the alarm clock. Okay, so this is for creating the GUI window. Okay, I will show you the GUI window means the area where I'm just going to insert the background images and all. Okay, and this message will show up there. I will show you. and here you can see the background image setting. So I will just given the path of my background, and I have set width and height of the uh, image and window as well. And again you can see here the create the hour spin box. It means that when I am just there is a hour box, okay, where I will enter the hour, like when will be the alarm will play. Okay, so this is for hour, and this is the separator, column separator, and this is just minute spin box. It means there will be a input box where I will input the minute. Okay, this is for hour and this is for minute. Like if I am going to set the alarm clock for 1:46, then in hour I will type 13 because it is using 24-hour format. Okay, so I will in this box I will enter 13, and in the minute box I will enter 46. As simple. Okay, so now at the last of the window, there will be a alarm button, set alarm button. Okay, it is like a submit button. It means that you are setting alarm, that you are just validating that yeah, I am setting alarm. And this will for the GUI event loop. So let's see the demo of this project. So I will just run this cell. So just click it here. So here you can see this is the. So I will just start recapping all the things. Like I have told you that this is for GUI window. So here you can see this is here alarm clock, here it is written, and the background image, this is the image that I have just edited some and paste it here. Okay, so the box, the spin box, our spin box I have talked about, here it is. Okay, this is the hour spin box. It means that it will you have to enter the hour here, and this is the column separator. So this is the particular column separator I have used. So here you can see the column separator is in between the hour and minute input box, and this is the input box for minute. So here you can see this is the input box for minutes. Okay, so you can also you don't have to always input the hour by using keyboard. You can also do by clicking up button. So I am just going to set alarm of 13. 13 means 1 o'clock, so it is using 24-hour format. Okay, and I will just uh, mm, give the minute like it now it is 47, so I am just going to 49. Okay, I'm just going to give 49. So at the 149 the alarm will start playing. Okay, so I am just going to just set alarm. So just set alarm. So wait 1 minute, 1.5 minute, then alarm will start playing. Okay. يا حبيبي يا شافعي يا رسول الله بأمي وأبي فديتك سيدي صلاة وسلام عليك يا نبي حبيبي. So as you have seen, like after playing the music, it will show the pop-up message like it's namaz times. That's I just you can uh, customize it according to your requirement. Okay, so I have just for demo purpose because I am using this right now. Okay, so just click OK. So this is the project presentation. Okay, this is the alarm clock. I have nothing, just this is the background image. I have just um, used it here by editing it. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till now, bye.